Divine's Grace, Divine's Love Seminar welcomes you all. In this video, I will share my master motivational divine words. Number 1, in reality, the only bond of love that is eternal and indestructible is the master discipline relationship. Number 2, parents are unable to discipline their children and children totally forgetting their duty towards them. If we don't awaken and act now, there are grave dangers. Number 3, our efforts to remove hatred and indifference from the world begin by trying to remove them from our mind. Number 4, in our fingers happens to poke our eye, we forgive our finger and we care and comfort the eyes because the finger and the eye are not separate from ourselves. Number 5, after all, in the end we cannot take anything with us, not even our own body. So what's the use of feeling overly attached? Make a firm decisions. Whatever comes, whatever happens, I will be happy. I will be strong. God is always with me. Verse 7. Even though God is all pervading, a master's presence is unique. Even though the wind blows everywhere, we enjoy the coolness only under the shadow of a tree. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Divine gratitude.